Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing and product review video. This occasion I have brought to you this multi-purpose cable organizer. So yeah, we're gonna open our package like this. Yeah, so we're gonna take it out to have a better look about them. And they come presented like this. There are two packages of this. We're gonna only open one of them. But yeah, we have different sizes, all in black. So yeah, it's a standard color for every cable that you want to. Like, look, here are a little instructions for how you can use them. Later on this video I'm gonna show you like few of them, few ideas about how you can use this product with your cables. So yeah, if you have a disorder with your cables, this is a perfect solution for you. I'm gonna open the package to show you one by one how they look. So yeah, I'm gonna take it then all off, and this is the product. Let me show you one by one so you can have a better look about how them. And over here a little bit. So yeah, look, this is the first example. Here you have one. This is the smaller one. Comes with a gum here. So you can paste it in anywhere. Yeah, it's sticky. I'm gonna put it back so I can show you another one. But first, look. Here this opens like this. In there you can put your cables. It's like 4 or 5 spaces. Then you clip it and it's secure. So then the large one, the bigger one, it has the tape here too. You can paste them anywhere, as I was telling you. Yeah, here we have more spaces if you need more, if you have more cables to put on. And yeah, look here, I'm gonna show you an example with my cables. There are 2 of them, and look, here I have 2 of them. I have 1 cable, and I open one of them, can put one in one space. I clip it so it's secure, it doesn't fall off, doesn't come out, and I can make it the shape that I want. Like this, I open it too, I put it in, and I can make any shape. If I needed to go to the right, I can do it. Look, in any order I want. So yeah, it's very practical. I recommend it a lot. I like them a lot. I use them a lot. So yeah, and look, here is what I was telling you. You can paste it anywhere with the sticky part. If you want to make the cable come down the table, the desk, it's very useful. So yeah, this is it. This is a product. I hope you liked it. I recommend it a lot. And thank you. See you the next time.